Hello everybody, my name is Carolina Herrera and I work for Sunshine State Academy, and today we are going to be doing a cereal box project. Um, it is fun to do and it's very easy to do, and there's different parts of it. But first I am going to go over the materials that you will need. You will need a box. If you don't have a cereal box, you can use an empty box that is similar to the cereal, the same height, and you can use that as well. Just in case you don't have a cereal box, you will need a pair of scissors, you will need a pencil, you will need markers, crayons, and color pencils if you have. You will also need glue. Also, what I like to use sometimes is I like to use gift wrapping paper. You can use it in the color side or you can use it on the blank side. So it's up to you where you want to use. Other times, we also can use construction paper. You can use color construction paper, but you also can use blank. So that way it will be easier for you to draw your cover. Okay, this is how the finished product will look like. So you have your cover where you can draw, or you can actually print out whatever books are you reading. In this case, we did everything about Dr. Seuss. So we got a cereal, we draw the picture, and you can just glue the paper, okay? And then you can decorate it the way you want it. So I am going to go for each part of the whatever it is that you need, the content of the box, and then you are going to glue it to your box. So in the front, it's going to be the cover. That's going to be the title of your book. Make it fun. Like this one, for example, is about scrambled eggs supper by Dr. Seuss. You can have maybe with Harry Potter, which I have used previously. I did anything that has to do with fruity pops or things like that. So depends on the title of your book, what you want to do. You can use the title that way. Make it fun, okay? Then we are going to go to the back of the box. In the back of the box, we created a game, and it can be any game that is maybe related to the book that you're reading. Here we created a puzzle, and then actually at the bottom, you can do it either at the bottom or at the top of the box. You will have the summary of the book, and in the summary of the book, you are going to summarize what is the book about. You're going to mention the problem of the book. You're going to mention what is that the beginning, the middle, and the end, and you are going to at the same time solve the solution of the problem in the book. So that's all going to be here at the summary of the book, right here at the bottom of the box. Either you can put it at the bottom or you can put it at the top. Then on the next one, we're going to go to your right. And to the right, we have that, they call it the ingredients, which is talking about that characters and the setting. And in the characters, what you're going to do is you are going to be naming the characters that are on the book. And in that book, there's 2, 3, 4, and then also give maybe 1 or 2 description about the character to make it more interesting. Then we're going to be talking about the setting. Where does the story take place? Maybe what season, what day, if they give you a specific location, or if it's outside, if it's inside. So by doing that, you are creating the setting. Talk about it. Maybe you want to give a little description of the setting to give an idea of how it was in the book. So that will give maybe more interesting. Before I go to the next side, I'm going to go to the top of the cereal box, which is here we have the title of the book. The title of this book is Scrambled Eggs Supper. And then we have the author, which is Dr. Seuss. And then we have how many pages. We want the person that wants to know how many pages we read about the story, and then what rating you give this book. Then we are going to go to the next side, which is on the left hand side, which is the glossary of that. In this case, we are going to be listing words that you don't know. And then what you're going to do is you're going to list the word. As you can see, it's going to be the word. Then you are going to be telling the part of the speech. Then you are going to tell the definition of that word. You can use a dictionary. You can use the website. So you can find the meaning of that word. And then you are going to be writing a sentence using that word. So that way you have few words. It might be 3, it might be 4 words that you don't know on the book. And that way you can actually know what it's meaning, and you can use it later on when you are talking about the story. So these are very useful projects that we can use. We can do it at any level. We can use it in first grade, second grade, third grade. Depends on what kind of level you are going to be using, and then also what kind of books are you using. So to make it fun, and at the same time, it gives a recall for the children to know what is that the book is about. They can do listening skills, writing skills, so that way they can actually retell the story to somebody else by then reviewing the box. So I hope that you have fun and enjoyed this video. Thank you.